Welcome. Today I will show you a simple but powerful Excel trick how to combine text from different cells using flash fill. This is perfect for tasks like joining first and last names, creating full addresses, or formatting data quickly, all without writing a single formula. Flash fill in Excel automatically fills in values based on pattern it detects. You just type an example of the result you want, then press Ctrl E and Excel does the rest of the job. Let's see our examples. I have first names in column C and last names in column D. In column E, I will type the full name manually for the first row only, like John Smith. Now I don't have to type all the combinations. I will just place the cursor in the next row and press Ctrl plus E. Excel instantly fills down the rest of the column with full names. Easy, right? Let's see our second example. Here is another example. I have street, city and country in 3 columns. In first row of the column F, I'll type the full address like and then I will keep my cursor in next row and I'll press Ctrl E and Excel automatically creates the same format for all rows below. Notice how Excel learned the pattern and copied it from the rest of the rows. Let's see in our next example. Suppose I have purchased items across different columns. In the new column, I will type laptop, mouse for the first row. Then I will press Ctrl E and Excel combines all other rows into neat item list, even skipping empty cells when needed. So even if your Excel version doesn't support the new TEXTJOIN function, you can still achieve the same results, often faster using flash fill. It's a quick and powerful way to clean, combine or format data without formulas. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips. See you in the next one.